This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I've got a very unusual lashup here that just pulled into the Dorval Ramps. And we've got a regular GE unit, but the second one is of note. SD60, I think it's called a C, SD60F. It's an Soo Line locomotive with the wide cab that they used to have. It's very unusual. It's been rebuilt by Canadian Pacific, as you can see. And then the third one here is this really old SD40-2. And it's really rough condition, I guess. I don't know. I mean, look how old it is. Probably 40 years old. So, and here it is with a double stack train, possibly 142. 143 rather, I guess. It's about 4:45 p.m. so this will be rolling out fairly soon, and CN may come with another train eventually too, so this is the usual CP train waiting for its signal, heading east. But I did want to get a chance to have a look at this unusual lashup while it was waiting here, especially that really cool SD60F. Now I'll be waiting for this to leave. And the SD40-2 over there too. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day. And I'm going to be waiting for this to move out.